Patrick at Pals. Kendall, what are we doing to this Ford?
Well, we got a customer came in saying that the coolant was extremely low and it kept losing coolant. So what I found once we did a pressure test on it is this water outlet. You see the damaged seal there?
Yeah.
It was just spewing out, and it was getting up on top of the hood here, spilling out all over here.
And so that's on the back side of the engine.
Yep. So right there on the side there.
Yep.
On the top.
You can see the new part there, folks. Kendall's already got it in, going back together.
And as a precaution, we just recommended to do a thermostat, because anytime you have an overheating condition, a lot of times the thermostat just goes bad along with it.
So we're doing a thermostat and the housing.
Yep.
And folks, isn't that something? Bay 2 is a cooling system problem, and Bay 3 is a cooling system problem. You know, we tend to find things like that. Sometimes they come in clusters to us. If you've got a Ford and it's got a problem with its cooling system, bring it to Pals. Kendall's equipped to take care of it. See you soon.